Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing your Mac so installations go smoothly. First, check Mac OS version and free disk space, then install Homebrew if it's missing because Homebrew simplifies package management. Once Homebrew is ready, open Terminal and create a dedicated project folder for databases and backups to keep files organized. Make sure to set appropriate permissions. This prevents permission errors later. After that, you're ready to install a database engine using Brew and continue to the configuration steps. Now install the database engine using Homebrew and initialize its data directory. For example, Brew install PostgreSQL, then run initdb or Brew services, start PostgreSQL to run it at login. Similarly for MySQL, follow the provided post-install instructions. Next, create a database user and set a secure password. Then create your first database. Configure listen addresses or bind address to limit network exposure and edit PGHBA, conf or my. Finally, connect to your database using the native client or a GUI tool. For PostgreSQL, use PSQL uRouter DYORDB, and for MySQL, use MySQL uRouter P. Create a test table, insert sample rows, then run select queries to confirm results. If you encounter errors, first check the database logs, then verify service status with Brew services list and file permissions for the data directory. One key troubleshooting tip: if authentication fails, reset the user password and recheck host-based auth rules before reattempting connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.